How to apply limiter for mastering in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the Effects section under Audio Editing Tools and import the audio file you want to master. Once the audio is loaded, scroll down and select the limiter effect. You will see settings like level in, level out, attack time, and release time. Adjust the level in to control the input volume, level out to set the maximum output volume, and fine-tune attack and release times to determine how quickly the limiter responds to peaks and return to normal. Preview your audio as you make adjustments to ensure your track sounds loud, balanced, and distortion-free. Once you are satisfied with the sound, tap the OK button to apply the limiter and the Save button to export your mastered audio. Now you know how to apply limiter for mastering in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.